everyone, we are the students of grade 2. Today we are not in the classroom, we are outside in this big and beautiful park. And guess what? We are going to find science everywhere. We are going to learn about sunlight. We need sunlight. It gives heat. Plants need them to grow. Without sunlight, it will be all dark. We are going to learn about mini ecosystem. Can you feel this grass? It is for home. So many insects. This is mini ecosystem. It is tiny living world where plants, animals and insects live. We are going to learn photosynthesis. This tree eats sunlight. It makes food from sun and air and water. It is photosynthesis. We are going to learn about gravity. This is gravity pulling me down, not magic. We are going to learn about friction. Why did I stop? This rough ground helps me stop. It is friction slowing me down. We are going to learn about balance. I am balancing on the rock. Our body uses muscles and brain signals to stay balanced. We are going to learn about air and pressure. I cannot see it, but I feel it. It is moving air. We are going to learn about breathing and oxygen. When I learn, I breathe fastly. Why? My body needs more oxygen. Science is fun. Science is play. It helps us to learn every way.